Dogsix is an app that claims to track the online activity of WhatsApp users, especially useful for parents who want to monitor their children's screen time. It promises features like real-time online-offline status updates, detailed activity reports, and instant notifications. But is it really reliable? Many users have reported mixed experiences. Some say the app delivers what it promises and helps them monitor usage effectively. However, others complain about missing data, delays in updates, and difficulties in canceling subscriptions. A few even say it charged them without working at all, raising serious red flags. So, is Dog6 legit or a scam? The truth lies somewhere in between. While it may work for some, the lack of consistent results and poor customer support make it risky. If you're thinking of trying it, start with a free version, if available, and avoid long-term payment plans until you're sure it works for you. Have you tried Dog6? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.